Hi there, Doc Mountain here, and I'm here to actually show you how you can set up an account on a particular app, which is an earning app. So now for you to install this app, what you'll need to do is you simply head on to the description section. Make sure that you copy the installation link and paste it into any browser and then search. When you happen to install the app, make sure that you enter the invitation code, which I will actually leave in the description section. So here we go. The name of the app is actually Taka, and here we go. Let's party together. So there are those three options. You sign in with Google, sign in with the phones, sign in with accounts. So what you do is you click sign in with Google. When you sign in with Google, your account will be protected. So I'm gonna go by Workaday. So from here, you have to make sure that you choose the right gender. If you're male, go by male. If you're female, go by female. So I'm gonna go by male because I'm male. Then I'm gonna click next, and just like that, they're saying allow permissions, allow permissions. Okay, we allow. Then allow Taka Live to take pictures and record videos while using the app. Okay, so live location, we actually allowing everything so that you're able to make use of the functions of the phone. Okay, so from here we need to click the profile tab, which is in the bottom right corner. Awesome, and here we are. Okay, so the profile pic has actually been set up automatically. Apply for agency. So we can now click settings. Can click settings, current version. If you want to delete the account, you can actually delete it from here. If you want to choose the language, you can actually change if you don't speak English, because it has automatically been set to be in English. So if you want to log out, you log out from here. Okay, so you've seen where there is my profile pic in the top left corner, and then the name is actually set by default. So what I'll do is I'll click it on the arrow which is in the top right corner. Then I can actually change my name. So when changing your name, and now you need to add, okay, so here there is Dear Walker. I can leave it just like this. I can leave it like this, since it's actually, so now if you need to paste the the superscript, you need to copy it from the description section. Let me just copy it from here. Okay, so I'm copying it from here, and I'm now heading back to Taka. Okay, so now I can paste hardboard. So what I'll do is I'll delete some of the letters so as to ensure that the superscript fits in. Oh my. Okay, beautiful. So that's the hardboard. Then we click submit. So the name has been changed Age, we need to change this one as well. 1986, 1108. Okay, so that has been changed. Then country, we need to click on country. Okay, so country has actually been set up. Then we can also click on WhatsApp. Bio, we can say unwavering determination. Unwavering determination is my definition. Unwavering determination is my definition. And we have set up that. We've set up that. Okay, so what else? Okay, so everything has been set up. You can also change the profile pic. You can change the profile pic. Pick zone. Here we go. Let me pick on the most beautiful pic. Here we go. And it is done. Done. Taka. We can as well add an album. We can add an album. Let me see if I can pick on a different pic here. That one seems to be too big. Can pick on the other pic. Okay, let me try this one. Okay, it's all the same. We can add an album if we want. Can add an album. Okay, so we can add an album. Master Taka. Let me pick on those pics where I was in salon. Okay, tier 1, 2. Okay, we add just one pic. Just one pic. All right, and it's been uploaded. So we've updated the data. So I got nobody who's following me. I don't have nobody I'm following. I get no followers. I'm very new here. Okay, so